With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is given: a hollow cylinder of mass m made heavy at its bottom is floating vertically in water. It is tilted from its vertical position through an angle theta and is left. So the restoring force acting on it is. So here we have to find the restoring force when this vertical position angle theta means tilted this cylinder. So here firstly we can see here this is the cylinder like here, and here water inside. This is the L with the length of a cylinder in water. So this is the L with the length of a cylinder in water, and when it is tilted, now here when it is tilted like this, and this is the L inside the water here, and here this is the angle theta. So here we can write the weight of a cylinder is equal to upthrust, means here this weight is equal to weight of cylinder is equal to upthrust. Now here weight of cylinder is mg, and upthrust this is the L be the length of cylinder in water and when it is in a vertical position, and A be the cross section area of the cylinder. So here as cylinder is floating, so upthrust force is the A L rho G. Now here M is equal to A L rho, and here we can write when the cylinder is here, when cylinder is tilted through an angle theta. So then length of cylinder in water is here we can write when the cylinder is tilted through an angle theta, then length of cylinder in water is equal to L cos theta. So here weight of water displaced, that is equal to L cos theta A rho G. Now here restoring force is equal to L A rho G upon cos theta minus L A rho G, means this water displaced and here this water, new water, and here this water, restoring force here, minus this water displaced new weight of water, and here this weight of water when vertical. So here minus, and here it is equal to L A rho G 1 minus cos theta minus 1, and here we can write this is the L A rho, we can write M, here this is the mg 1 by cos theta minus 1 here. This is the solution. Here we have find m value A L density rho. So here we can put this value A L rho. So now here we check the option which one is the right. So that means the third option is the right. This is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.